How to optimize Windows 10 and 11 for gaming in 2025. First of all, I highly recommend disabling the fast startup feature that Windows provides by default. This fast startup feature is the reason behind many performance issues, as it doesn't let your PC to shut down properly, resulting in weird performance issues. So guys, hit the Run dialog box by pressing Windows plus R keys and type Control. Then hit Enter. Now, make sure to switch the View by option to larger icons if it's not already selected. After that, go to the Power options. Make sure that you are using the High Performance Power plan. And then click on the Choose what the power buttons do option. And then, click on this blue highlighted option that is Change settings that are currently unavailable. After that, you just need to uncheck this box beside the Turn on Fast Startup option. Although Windows still recommends us to keep this feature enabled. But yeah, we all love going against Microsoft when it comes to Windows and their recommendations. So, yep guys, go ahead and uncheck this box like this, and also, make sure that you have this Hibernate option is unchecked as well. Then click on Save Changes and close the control panel. After that, restart your PC. Yes, since Windows 10 Anniversary Edition, and mainly in Windows 11, using hard disk drive as your Windows C drive has become a nightmare, as both the current version of Windows 10 and Windows 11 performs much worse, and introduces several lags, jittery user interface, which overall slows down your PC's performance. Yes, sure, you can still use hard disk drives on your PC running on the latest Windows, but only use it for storing your personal documents or related data storage purposes. Now, for installing your Windows operating system and storing your PC games, especially the latest AAA titles, using an SSD has become a heavy requirement for us. So yeah, please keep this in mind. Now, apart from the C drive, if you have any other partition like D drive or E drive, and it belongs to the internal SSD of your PC, and you want to use it on Windows only, then make sure that it is already formatted in the NTFS format, as Windows performs better with this NTFS format, as it can handle larger file sizes, provides better security, and also, it has more reliability compared to FAT32 or other file systems. After that, from your desktop screen, search for this Defragment and Optimize Drives feature, and then check under the Current Status tab of your SSD, whether it's showing OK here or not. If yes, as you can see on the screen, you don't need to do anything. But if it's showing needs optimizations, then yeah, in that scenario, click on this Optimize option, and wait for the SSD to finish trimming itself. Do this similarly for the hard disk too if you use one. Now, after everything is done until now, open the Windows command prompt as an administrator, and then type the following commands as I am showing you right now. sfc/scan now. Then hit the Enter key, and wait for the scanning to finish. Windows is going to check for corrupted files if it has any, and then it will replace them immediately with the functional ones. You can run this command again to check whether it fixed the corrupted files or not. After that, type this command. dism/online/cleanup-image/scan health. This specific command is used to scan the Windows image for any existing corrupted files within the Windows image file. And if it finds any issue, then you will get this message at the end, that is the components stored is reparable. If it's so, then yeah, hit the same command again, but this time, replace the last portion, that is scan health, with restore health. And after hitting enter, wait for a few minutes to finish the image repairing process. This process will take up to 10 to 15 minutes, so don't worry if it gets stuck at 62% for a while. Don't close the command windows this time, and wait for the screen to become 100%.
15 minutes later.
Now, see this guys, the Windows image has been successfully repaired. Now restart your PC immediately after it's done. Now open Microsoft PC Manager and boost your PC to get rid of the unnecessary load of programs that are consuming your computer's RAM. After that, from your desktop screen, search for Storage. Then click on Temporary Files. After that, make sure that the Recycle bin and the Downloads boxes are not checked, but if so, then make sure to uncheck them first. Alright, so hit the Remove Files option and wait for some time until Windows removes the leftover files from your system. Also make sure to turn on the Storage Sense feature if you still haven't. After all that, make sure that every app and Windows components from the Microsoft Store, and at the same time, make sure that your Windows itself is updated to the latest version, including all the drivers and all that stuff required. Now guys, finally, even after doing all the steps that I just showed you, you are facing issues in playing your games, then yeah, you can try resetting the shader cache of your GPU driver. And to be more precise, I would highly suggest using the DDU software and removing everything related to your GPU driver, and then reinstall your GPU driver properly from the manufacturer's website. Now guys, you can check out this video that I made before right from the I button here, where I showed how to remove your GPU driver properly and how to reinstall them, and even how you can stop Windows from updating your system with the wrong version of your GPU driver automatically. Now, in the end, if you are an AMD APU user, then I have another tip for you. If you are using and playing games on your APU, like Ryzen 5600G, 5700G, and all that, you can try increasing the VRAM limit and enabling a few settings from your system's BIOS. I already made a video on that topic, which you can also watch by clicking on the I button again. In this way, you can squeeze out more performance from your AMD Radeon I GPU that your system has. Now guys, most importantly in the end, let me be clear with one thing. You can freely follow all the steps that you saw in this whole video. But yeah, if you want to use any third-party tool to tweak your Windows PC, then it is only up to you. I will not be responsible for any damage caused by the third-party tool, as I myself didn't demonstrate any such tools in this video. So yeah guys, that's it for today. If you have any question, then feel free to comment them down below. Thanks for watching guys. God bless you all. Bye, and I'm gonna see you in another video.